Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on Kraken. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and make sure that you have downloaded and installed the app on your phone. Now tap on the Kraken app that you see. Right on top you will find this notification popping up. You can simply directly tap on create account directly, or even if you cross out, you will find the option right over here as well. Tap on create account, go ahead, add in your email address over here, and now you simply have to make yourself a password which has to meet the criteria. It includes 12 character. Now once it has met all of the criteria including number, character, 12 character, special character, and letter, tap on continue further. Go ahead, choose your country and tap on create account. Now simply I have to open up the Gmail of mine. Since I've got email right over there, you can see. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna simply tap on activate account, and the code will automatically be pasted, and there we go, account has been activated. I'm gonna tap on continue. I'm gonna add my number if I want to, and then I'm simply gonna tap on continue at the bottom. Once I'm done, this is how the verification will be completed, and I'll be able to use my account likewise. So that is how easy it is for you to be doing so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.